Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll show you what to do when iCloud backup failed on an iPhone. Apple's iCloud lets users sync and backup several data and files stored on an iPhone or other devices like photos, messages, files, mails, etc. Best of all, an iCloud backup process can be initiated automatically once configured, or manually by hitting the Backup Now option through the Settings app. If iCloud backup fails unexpectedly, or you're receiving error messages that the iPhone can't back up to iCloud, there are a few things you can check on your own to resolve the issue. To start, let's walk through some possible causes for iCloud backup failing problems. Why do iCloud backups keep failing? Not enough iCloud storage is available to complete the backup. Your device is having Wi-Fi network issues. There is something wrong with your Apple ID account. A new iCloud backup is failing because the previous backup file is corrupted. Your iPhone runs into software glitches, outdated iOS, or settings conflicts. Apple's server is down or iPhone's hardware components are damaged. Now, follow me to check how to fix iCloud backup failure on iPhone. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. 1. Deactivate iCloud backup, then enable it. If this is your first time backing up your iPhone with iCloud backup and it fails, this function might encounter temporary corruption. Just refresh the iCloud backup button by turning it off, then back on. Here's how. Open the Settings app. Tap on your iPhone's name from the top of the page. Choose iCloud. Find and choose iCloud backup. The Backup This iPhone option now should be at On status. Tap its toggle to turn it off for a few seconds. Then, tap the toggle again to enable iCloud backup. A new iCloud backup process will be initiated automatically, saying backing up. Take a look to see if the date and time of the last successful backup is updated. 2. Check iCloud storage and next backup size. Lack of cloud storage is the common reason making an iPhone fail to back up to iCloud. Basically, at least 2 GB storage available on iCloud is required. It depends on how much data and files are stored locally on your iPhone. To check how much iCloud space is available and the next backup size, open the Settings app. Tap your device name at the top. Choose iCloud. Review the color-coded bar graph at the top. The gray space means storage unused. Once checked, tap iCloud backup. In the next page, it'll show you the size of your last backup, along with the extra storage that will need to be added for your next backup. If it prompts you, not enough iCloud storage, it means the new backup size exceeds the current available storage. You can choose to clean up the unused iPhone data, delete current old backups for more free storage, or purchase additional cloud space, then try again. If the cloud storage is enough but iCloud backup is not working, move to the next step. 3. Connect iPhone to Wi-Fi with strong signals. Some users complain on the forum saying that iCloud backup failed but I have space. In such cases, the internet network might be at fault. Performing an iPhone data backup in iCloud requires a strong network connection. So, check if Wi-Fi is enabled and your device is connected to Wi-Fi with strong signals. If it shows you the last backup couldn't be completed or takes longer to finish, plug your phone into a charge for a while, then connect it to another safe and stable network. Then, remember to tap Backup Now to see if iCloud backup succeeds this time. 4. Log out from iCloud, then re-log in. This step aims to refresh the iCloud account to fix iCloud backup failed. Here's how. Open the Settings app. At the top, hit your device name. Next, find and tap on iCloud. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Sign Out. Enter the correct Apple ID password to confirm. Once done, go back to the Settings page. To sign back in, tap Apple Account. Choose Sign In manually, then enter the Apple account email address or phone number first. Then, type the right password and tap Done or Sign In. If the two-factor authentication is activated, enter the 6-digit verification code sent to another trusted device. Once signed back in, go to iCloud to do a backup and see if the backup process works. 5. Delete old iCloud backups. If this is not your first time to back up to iCloud, then the previous archives might have problems. To avoid interference, it's advised to delete the old ones first before making a new backup. Here's how. In the Settings app, tap your iPhone's name. Choose iCloud. Select iCloud Backup. There will be a list of devices signed in with the same Apple ID that have iCloud Backup enabled. Tap the device name. Select Turn Off and Delete from iCloud. After you assure that all existing iCloud backups are removed, the issues with your iCloud backups should be resolved. Then, go to Tap Backup this iPhone option. This will force a completely new backup of the iPhone on iCloud, so just wait for it to complete. 6. Quickly reboot your iPhone. When the iCloud backup keeps failing, it's possible that the operating system crashes and fails to respond to the backup command. To rule out this cause, attempt to refresh the system by doing a restart. Here's how. On an iPhone 10 or newer, press and hold the volume up or down button and the power button. On an iPhone 8 or older, press and hold the power button. Drag the slider to the right and your iPhone will shut off within seconds. To turn the device back on, press and hold the power button. When an Apple logo comes up on the screen, let go of the button and it'll boot up soon. Then, check if the iCloud backup on the iPhone works fine. 7. Delete all the saved VPN profiles. Have you used VPN and saved several VPN profiles on your iPhone? If so, having an outdated or corrupted VPN profile can sometimes cause iCloud backup to fail on an iPhone. To solve it, follow the steps below to remove the problematic VPN profiles. Tap to open your iPhone's Settings app. Go to Tab General, select VPN and Device Management. Tap VPN. Tap the blue information icon next to the VPN file, then choose Delete VPN. Repeat these steps until all the VPN profiles are removed. Once done, remember to delete the VPN app. After clearing all the VPN-related items, try to back up your iPhone to iCloud again to see if it works. 8. Run an iOS system update. iCloud syncing and backup will fail if your iPhone is running an old version of iOS. For your reference, the current latest iOS version on an iPhone 11 or newer models is iOS 26. If your device's operating system version is obsolete, follow these steps to get the newest iOS update. Open the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Scroll down a little bit and tap General. Then, select Software Update. If an update is available, there will be a download and install option. Tap it and finish on-screen instructions to trigger the update process. The new upgrade should keep iCloud backup running smoothly on your iPhone now. 9. Reset all the settings. If you still see the message iCloud backup last attempt failed, it's time to reset settings. It's possible that unknown conflicts arising from the several kinds of settings cause failure, especially if you've made adjustments on them recently. All personalized settings, covering network settings, privacy settings, the home screen layout, and so on, will be removed or restored to their factory defaults. But the good news is that all your data will stay safe and won't be affected. Here's how. Go to the Settings app, tap General, Transfer and Reset iPhone, then Reset. A new options pop-up will come up. From there, find and tap the Reset All settings. You'll be asked to enter the lock screen passcode to confirm. Once done, iCloud backup on your iPhone should work now. 10. Erase everything on your iPhone. If the backup still keeps failing when you try to back up an iPhone to iCloud, factory reset the phone. As this reset will delete all your personal data and apps as well as restore all the settings to their original status. Do a backup on a computer using iTunes or Finder to avoid data loss. After that, try these steps to reset the iPhone where iCloud backup fails. Go to your iPhone's Settings app, tap General, scroll down to the bottom and choose Transfer and Reset iPhone. Tap on Erase all content and setting. Input the lock screen passcode when prompted. Carefully review the warning of doing an erase on your iPhone. Once confirmed, tap Erase iPhone and the erase process will begin within seconds. After the erase, your iPhone will boot up, displaying the Hello screen. Set it up as a new phone or restore from existing backups. Then, check if your iPhone is able to back up to iCloud. 11. Seek assistance from Apple's support team. There is an official page telling you whether the iCloud service is normal for users to apply at Apple's server. We've put the link in the description below, so just copy and paste to visit it in any browser. You can check if iCloud Backup or other iCloud services are operating normally. With the green available, if they are not available, the server itself causes iCloud Backup to fail and just wait for the company to repair it. If they are all working well, then reach out to them in person for further troubleshooting. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix iCloud Backup failed on iPhone. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video is helpful for you. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.